Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these red velvet cookie blossoms using box cake mix. For the ingredients you'll need box cake mix, sugar, flour, butter, vanilla, eggs, chocolate candy hearts, and red sanding sugar. First put half a cup of butter in a bowl, then add a half a cup of sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix it. Then add 2 eggs and mix. Then add the cake box mix and 3/4 of a cup of flour. Mix until incorporated. Then roll the dough into balls and coat them in the sanding sugar. Do that until you're out of dough. Then put them in a 350-degree oven for 11 minutes. While they're baking, unwrap the chocolate candy hearts. Remove the cookies from the oven and let them slightly cool. Then press a chocolate heart in the middle of each of the cookies. And that's it! It's a really fun, festive, and tasty twist on the typical peanut butter blossom cookies. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.